Hey guys, in this video, we are going to go over the new features that we've released in the latest version of Semantria for Excel. There are a few new buttons that we've added to the top ribbon of Excel. The first one is Generate Reports, and the second one is Report Sets. We've also added a few new reports. The first one, you can see it's under the Summary Reports dropdown. It's called Query Co-Occurrence Report. The other reports, new reports that we've added, are under the Tuning Report section, and they're called Query Comparison Report and the Sentiment Phrases for Queries Report. Let's go over the reports one by one so you can see exactly what's new in the latest version of Semantria for Excel. So let's go over the first one, which is Query Co-Occurrence Report. This is what it looks like. Query Co-Occurrence Report shows us the overlapping queries in the dataset. This table here basically shows us the number of documents where the same queries are getting a hit repeatedly. For example, in row 20 over here, accommodations room cleanliness query occurred in the dataset 3 times with the accommodations room bedding query. This leads us to believe that there can be a relationship between cleanliness and bedding. So the hotel needs to take a look into that. Same thing with accommodations room comfort and accommodations bathroom size. This leads us to believe that the comfort of the room is related to the size of the bathroom. The other new report that we've added to the latest version of Semantria for Excel is called Query Comparison Report. What this report allows us to do is compare query results in different analyses side by side. So in the output here, what I've done is I analyzed the same data set using our industry pack demo hotels configuration, and I ran the data set again using our default English configuration. And I can see the results of the query hits from the two different configurations side by side. It also allows me to compare query hits if I tune the same configuration, if I add certain keywords to a query or remove certain keywords from a query as well. The other new report that we've added to the latest version of Semantria for Excel is Sentiment Phrases for Queries. What this report shows us is behind the scenes of the sentiment calculation for the query hits. In this report, we show you the sentiment-bearing phrases that are driving the sentiment score for the query hits in the dataset. And not only do we show you the sentiment phrases, we actually give you the sentiment scores as they're associated with each phrase. And we give you their location in the document as well, so you can see visually where those phrases occurred. It's a great way to discover what kind of sentiment phrases people are using to express their emotions towards particular query hits in the dataset. Another functionality that we've added to the latest version of Semantria for Excel is the ability to preset report groups. So you can create a report set by clicking on the Add button. You can name it Auto Reports or any name you want. And then you can select what kind of reports you want the system to automatically generate every single time you run an analysis. In this case, let's say I want to see my service standard volume chart. I want to see the entities summary report, and I want to see the document phrases, themes, and queries output. And I want to see sentiment phrases for queries every single time I run an analysis. I can hit save, and next time I generate the output by double clicking on the analysis, I get the option to generate a report from a predefined set that I've created. I just select that, hit the generate reports, and I will get all the reports that I had selected predefined in the report set, and it will generate that.